Good morning. It's been a few days since my friend was here. Yeah. It's been a few days since my friend was here to help with the dust collection system. And I realized when I was cleaning up that room, would you like to have a say? I realized when I was cleaning out that room, just simply walking in there when it was clean, it feels a lot better. It feels a lot more hopeful. So I spent some time yesterday actually vacuuming up the shop, like to the point of vacuuming some of the ceiling, walls, everything. Basically I gave myself a time limit of like, I'm going to vacuum until this time. And I got quite a bit of it done. It looks a lot better, like, you know, see, that corner of the hexagons are done, but that corner above my head is not. It's just nice. I didn't realize how much dust was actually building up in here. So, but she's out here wiggling with me for a bit because I'm going to do some painting and a little bit more reorganizing. And later, Dan is going to scoop up this little one. Then we're going to go play inside again. And I'm going to make dusty, noisy things. But until then, we're going to play in the workshop. Are you missing an arm? I think it's stuck. Okay, let's put you in a playpen. Yes. Got your fish. She's cute. So I've been working on the back room basically a little bit at a time for the last week or so. Jonathan is supposed to come back out on Sunday, fingers crossed, to complete the next portion of the dust collection system. But in the meantime, I think Dan and I tomorrow are going to try and reconfigure the machine to turn it and lift it up partly because this one part keeps coming off. It's beginning to drive me a bit nuts. The problem is, again, this is just temporary, and we didn't want to cut this piping because, well, if we're going to remove it and it's not going to be part of this, it doesn't make sense to cut it. But the tension is so high that I keep on having to retape this, which is getting annoying. I have to retape it every single time. But I've been doing some cleanup back here. My shelves are looking nice and organized. All of my packing material is now out here. Up until this point, all the packing material has been inside, so we haven't had any room in here. And I mean, that works, but at the same time, it's kind of convenient having it out here, getting it all packed up, and then bringing it into the house. And I don't have to worry about the cats getting into it. There's still a little bit more to be organized back here, but I'm kind of happy. And also my shelves are getting organized. I'm actually labeling them. I'm rather proud of the organization going on back here. But, oh. Dan's getting ready to put some stuff for sale. We're basically selling off all of my show stuff, any of my displays, all that kind of stuff. My display boards. I'm probably not going to be doing shows. At this point, I don't plan on doing shows for at least 5 years. Because I kind of want to be home on the weekends for the little one in there. And I've basically, over the past 2 years, kind of redesigned this business to work basically online anyways. So I might as well just take advantage of that. But yeah, that's basically it. This is kind of me just doing a kind of closing up video portion of the video, because I realized I've been doing little ones all week. I'm just gonna be out here doing what I've been doing, which is basically just in between waiting for things to dry, doing a little bit more and cleaning that up. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So I think tomorrow he and I are going to fix the dust collection system, the main machine, so that when Jonathan comes out, we can move on to hopefully piping the back wall. See you guys later. Hey, Bugaboo. Yeah, are you standing up or sitting up?